guys, wanted to share some quick instructions with you on how to help your child get logged into our Flipgrid channel and how to add videos. So the first thing you want to do is in your browser tab, type flipgrid.com/STEAM@home. And that will take you to my Flipgrid channel. And then we are a Google school, so we're going to log in with Google. And if you choose this Remember Me icon, then the next time you come back and try to log in, you won't have to put in your username and password again. Okay, and then you'll choose your child's email address. This is my daughter Hannah's email address, so I'm going to go ahead and click there. And that will take you into the STEAM project gallery. To add content, all you do is scroll down about halfway down the page and click the plus sign. You'll need to give your computer permission to use the microphone and the camera. And then you have a couple of options as far as uploading videos. I know a lot of us take videos with our cell phones, and if you do that, you can absolutely open Flipgrid on your phone and use that video. All you have to do is, instead of clicking the record button, you'll click right here on this upload button, and then find your video on your device, wherever it is on your device, and then add it to the Flipgrid. You can add multiple videos, so once you add one video, let me see if I have one in here that I can show you. So this is my daughter Lila's boat video, so I can upload that. And then right down here, there's an add more button. So if you had to do multiple videos, then you can add those to it. All you have to do is click add more. Find the second video you want to add. And then it'll string the clips together. If you just want to allow your child to make a video directly in Flipgrid, all they have to do is this sign and then click record. I can't do that right now because I'm actually recording my screen, so I'm just going to show you where the record button is. But yeah, you just click record, and then they can tell me all about their project. They can hold it up and show me their project and share with me what you guys are doing at home. Once they're finished adding their video, then there is a couple more things they need to do. So I'm going to go back to the upload portion here and show you the last steps. Here we go. So once you have your video clip, the last step is to click take a quick selfie. And then the kids know how to do this. They can decorate their selfie. They can draw here. Say hello. They can put emoji on there. Let me know how they like the challenge. So they have a lot of fun with that. And then when they're finished decorating, just have them make sure that they put what project they're sharing with me in the title. So if it's the boat challenge or the egg drop or whatever challenge they're sharing with me, the coding challenge, they'll just write that in the title and then click submit video and you're all set. Have fun at steaming at home, and I can't wait to see your smiling faces. Bye.